The end of 2017 was a sad time for us here at the RSR Nurburg office. Sad because we had to say goodbye to our beloved Renault Sport Twingo RSs, which between them, in your hands, did over 5,000 laps here at the Nurburgring Nordschleife. So finding a replacement was not going to be an easy task. However, the requirements were simple. It needed to be lightweight, have small dimensions, and provide cheap, fun laps. Enter the Volkswagen Group's smallest performance car, the Up GTI. So what exactly do you get when you rent the cheapest car in the RSR Nurburg fleet? Well, apart from the nostalgic throwback to the original VW Golf GTI from 1976, you get a car that weighs less than 1,000 kilograms, 113 brake horsepower, and a 6-speed manual gearbox. We recently threw the keys at RSR instructor and racing driver Gabriele Piana to see if this little Up GTI can actually handle the Nürburgring Nordschleife. Let's jump on board and see the lap.
As the most loyal followers of the RSR YouTube channel might remember, I was the one driving the Twingo RS a few years ago when RSR was looking for a small yet fun car to drive on the Nordschleife. I personally loved it, I had a lot of fun doing it, and so did our customers. Incredibly fun. Despite being the smallest and cheapest, it is not the least amount of fun. It was now time to replace it with a new car that fitted the same sort of niche. Unfortunately though, it's a shame because not many manufacturers build cars like this, small yet fun cars to drive on track. Volkswagen actually does. Here it is, the Volkswagen Up GTI. I drove it and I had the same sort of fun that I used to have when I was driving the Twingo RS, so I give it my thumbs up.